get you the breaking news straight up. And this is a super scoop on the 18th Lok Sabha. Sources are telling Times Now that the government is ready to name the Deputy Speaker and the NDA is to keep the Deputy Speaker's post. What's happening when it comes to the political part of it, we're getting to know is that government sources are saying that they are the ones who have the numbers, and when it comes to the opposition camp, the numbers don't stand with them. Big breaking news coming in, and another showdown is on the cards. Let's get you the latest when it comes to the Deputy Speaker. That's the latest that we're telling you. NDA is expected to keep the Deputy Speaker's post, and because they believe that they have the numbers. Pragya will be joining us shortly. The 18th Lok Sabha has also seen witnessed a showdown on the Speaker's post. When it comes to the Speaker's post, you saw the way the opposition put its hat in the ring by wanting a contest there. Lok Sabha Speaker, it's final now. Om Birla is the Lok Sabha Speaker. But when it comes to the Deputy Speaker's post, the NDA, government sources are telling Times Now that the Deputy Speaker will also be from the NDA. And that's the latest coming in. We'll tell you more about the names. Why has the NDA decided that the Deputy Speaker is also going to be from the NDA? Because they believe they are the ones who have the numbers. Mohit Bhatt is joining us. Mohit, get us the latest when it comes to the strategy as far as the NDA is concerned. We saw a showdown of sorts play out when it comes to the Speaker's post, and it's all settled now. But when it comes to the Deputy Speaker's post, that was something that the opposition at this point of time wanted. We're getting to know that the Deputy Speaker's post will also be with the NDA. What's the latest?
Well, what the sources say is that this time around in the Lok Sabha, there will be a Deputy Speaker. Remember, in the 17th Lok Sabha, we did not have any Deputy Speaker, and prior to that, the Deputy Speaker was from AIADMK from 2014 to 2019, and that was the era of the BJP. And now what we are getting to know is that the Deputy Speaker will be there in this particular Lok Sabha, and it will be, that person will be from the NDA, because the government believes that the opposition does not have the numbers, and perhaps if the elections happen, then the ruling dispensation, that is the NDA, will win, and the Deputy Speaker will be from NDA.